virtually no airtime, and the one single product that saved my nails during COVID. I had just taken off my acrylic nails, and I was getting ready to put them back on, and then everything shut down. And my nails were a mess. They were so thin, so brittle, they actually hurt. And those of you who know, if you've ever taken off the gel or the dip or the acrylic nails, or maybe you just have naturally thin, brittle nails, how painful it can be, and the process that it takes to get them back to really healthy, strong nails. This is called Dermelect. It's a cosmeceutical nail brand created to bring skincare, basically, to your nails. So those ridges, that damage is kind of like the lines and wrinkles on our face. We need to treat it. We need to nourish it. We need to help thicken it. So here, a $48 value for just under $30. You're getting their Makeover Smoothing Ridge Filler. That's right here. So it's beautiful color too, and that's like very happening right now, that minimalist, beautiful look. $18 on its own. And then you're getting the High Maintenance Instant Nail Thickener. That's a $16 value on its own, plus the Revital-Oil Nail and Cuticle Treatment. That's this beautiful oil that's not just for your cuticles, mine are so dry right now, but also for the nail. All in all, a $48 value, Customer Choice Beauty Award winner, for a $6 charge on a credit card. A661716 is your item number. Cheryl Benham is here. Her uncle started this company, so I can personally thank you because we just met for the very first time. Your uncle started the company. How many years ago? 2009?
Yeah, well, I've been with the company for longer than I can.
Longer than you can remember.
Yeah. Basically for 17 years. It's a family affair, it's a labor of love, and we're so excited to be here with you today.
Well, it was total kismet when I very first presented Dermelect. It was in 2020, and the shutdown had just happened, and my nails, I was so embarrassed to have them on air.
It was the height of COVID.
It was.
And you jogged my memory backstage because I now remember the before and after you put on Instagram.
Yes.
And it was amazing what happened to your nails.
I'll have to go back and look at that because I really did. I did a before and after with this because it actually works. When we're trying to rebuild our nails, we have to do something to cover up the damage. This does it. It fills in the ridges. You can see it. I might try to post that later on today again because I was shocked. Oh, you did?
Found it.
Okay,
yes.
Good. Thank you so much. So look at Dermelect's Facebook today, or Instagram, and take a look at that. So that's what we're going to see real time being applied. You just apply it like a nail polish,
yes,
but it has none of the bad stuff. It's 10 plus free, which means none of the formaldehyde or the yucky stuff.
Absolutely. These are worry-free formulas. You don't have to worry about any toxicity. We've done all the work for you to make sure that there is nothing in there that would pose a threat to your well-being. But it's not just what we didn't put in the products, it's what we put into the products. I'm talking about skincare grade ingredients that you would normally find in preparations for your face.
Right.
We've taken it to the nails. Just like you said, just like how you would treat a line or wrinkle on the face, we're treating ridges and, problems in the nails.
And it's as easy as just painting your nails. This beautiful color, which that minimalistic look is so happening right now. So if you've been thinking about taking off, I just got my nails done yesterday actually, but just thinking, and I have been thinking about taking them off again, but every time I do, when they redo a set, my nails are so brittle, and I'm like, oh, I forgot what this feels like. I don't want to have to deal with it, and so I just put more back on. But look at this. This is immediately after. This is what mine looks like. There's no more ridges. There's no more bumps because they're filled in.
Yeah, we've all had that remorse when we take off the gels and acrylics, or we're going through these winter months and our nails are flaky, they're ridged, they're not as strong as they used to be. What you have here is a completely transformed nail with Makeover. Makeover literally will conceal the damage in your nails while it works to flood the nails with strengthening ingredients, fortifying ingredients, and the nails get transformed instantly. You don't have to wait for results.
And then they get stronger and better over time. Take a look at this next one. This is immediately after, and this before is not good. This is what mine looked like.
So these are my nails.
Oh, sorry.
No, I want to show people what these products can actually do. I naturally have a flaky, drier nail, and these products have literally transformed the quality of my nails. They look healthier when I use my products. They look glowing. They just look like nails you don't want to hide away, that you want to display and you're proud of.
Yes, and they feel better too.
Absolutely.
So here's how you use it. You do the makeover first, and that's the one with that gorgeous kind of light pink on it, correct? And then we do the high maintenance over that?
Yes, so this is a 3-step system. Makeover is your first step. It's buildable color. You put it on your nails for a wash of color, and it will instantly transform the nails. It will conceal and blur any damages with this gorgeous iridescent pink hue. It almost like harkens to a French manicure. If you're someone who doesn't like wearing nail polish, doesn't do it all the time, this is something that's so easy and so beautiful to use. You get salon quality nails instantly, all by yourself.
Right, and you can put another color if you want to do it like a red or something.
Yes.
This is the base.
This
and
is
then
just the base.
It fills in the ridges and the damage, so you can do a color if you want to, although I just look how pretty that is. It's a gorgeous French manicure, and that's how easy it was. So you put the makeover on first, that's the ridge filler. It's an $18 charge on its own.
Yes.
Then you do the high maintenance nail thickener, which will thicken them up over time. That's a $16 charge on its own. If we stopped right there, we're already giving you a great deal. But how dry are your cuticles right now? How dry are your nails? Then we do the oil, which would be $14 on its own, and that's gonna give you a whole $48 system for just under $30, or an easy payment of $6. Mary just did that within seconds. And look how pretty that color is.
Literally, and you can see that the nails look healthier. They look glossy. They look revitalized. They have this gorgeous, even pink hue. These are hallmarks of healthy, strong nails.
And the fun thing about it is, tell us about the peptide, the sheep peptides.
So every product that you see here is infused with our signature peptide that's derived from New Zealand sheep's wool. And you have to take this, we took this idea from skincare. Just like how you would use peptides in a skincare cream, the peptides in our nail formulations are there to fortify and strengthen and reinforce your nail. And it's in everything that you see here. Even the oil that you're trying on right now. This is Revital-Oil. This is the last step of the system. This is unlike anything you've ever seen because of the unique delivery system that we have here. This is an oil with 2 phases. You have a water phase with the signature protein peptide on the top, and then you have an oil cuticle complex on the bottom. And all you have to do is shake
it
the
up.
bottle.
Oops, I forgot to shake it.
All you have to do is shake the bottle to combine the phases.
Now tell me what the 2 phases are.
So you have water on top, which is where the protein peptide lives.
Okay.
And then you have an oil on the bottom because our protein peptide can only live in water, and oil and water don't mix. Kind of like a salad dressing.
Right.
So we took the idea we were gonna make a dual phase, which this kind of thing you only usually see in skincare. We have taken it to nail care. And when you apply it to the nails, it literally gives you a revitalizing treatment. If you have flaky nails, if you have painful cuticles, if you have dryness, if you have ridges, if you have gel and acrylic damage, if you're suffering this winter because your nails are zapped of the moisture that so much needs.
Every time we get, by the way, 600 orders placed. Every time we get a close-up of my nails, and sometimes, like, I just got my nails done yesterday, we come in close and they're so dry. I'm like, I gotta figure that out because it's so dry right now. So I did get a little bit on here, but here, look how fresh that looks. And then over here, I got a little bit on there, so they actually don't look too bad. But
it's an instant pick-me-up.
But it's an instant pick-me-up.
Yes.
97% agreed their nails felt stronger in a consumer perception survey. Think about this, though. How many times have you seen Dermelect on air in 2024? I didn't see it once, and I'm here almost every day. I'm here 4 days a week, 5 days a week, actually. I remember it and what it did for me in 2020, but it won for best nail treatment last year, voted on by you, our customers, without any airtime. So it's free from all the bad stuff, has all of the peptides and the good things that are in skincare. It is skincare for your nails, and it's a $48 value that you are getting home for a charge on credit card of $6. This one's $18, this one's $16, this one's $14. All in all, if you were at a beauty store, you'd be forking over $48. We are just under $30. With how many orders placed? 700 orders placed of our Customer Choice Beauty Award winner for Best nail product here at a great value. Thank you so much. I'm so happy you found that post. It's a good one. Check it out if you can.
It is so good.
I was so grateful for Dermelect. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
You too. All right, we get to launch a big deal, and this was a big surprise to me.